Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my Mercedes ML Class W164 and how to change your engine oil and engine oil filter. The things we're going to be needing today is some Mobil 1 0W40 oil. Second is the oil filter, a ratchet with a 10mm socket and a 13mm socket, and also an extension, an oil filter housing remover. The one that I'm using is sort of universal. It's going to clamp on. There's a lot of different types. There's a plier type and there's also the cap on type, but I'm going with this one today. And also a jack. So this part I'm not going to include in the video. It's an underbody cover, and most of your old Mercedes or any car isn't going to have it by now because most mechanics or previous owners end up discarding this because they're too lazy to put it back, or for whatever reason it might be. Just in case you have this cover like my SUV does, here's the cover itself. You're going to be using a 10mm socket, and there's the bolts that are going to come out with the washers on them. Once I get underneath the car, the oil drain plug is right there. So I'm going to put a drain pan right underneath and open my drain plug. The drain plug itself is a 13mm. Now I'm going to open it up. There's a washer on the bolt, so keep this safely on the side. Give it about 10 minutes for the oil to completely drain out. And until the oil is draining, I'm going to open the hood. And remove the oil filter housing. Depending on the tool you're going to be using, you might have to remove the engine cover. And again, I'm using a universal housing tool. It sits on, tightens up. And it's a good idea to put a few rags around as some oil is going to drip out. New O-rings and the new oil filter. So for this, remove 1, 2, 3, and 4 O-rings. Just get a straight screwdriver, pull up, and take them right out. Oil filter itself spins and pulls right out. Old O-rings removed. Now I got the new O-rings and the engine oil filter installed. Installation is straightforward. You just drop the filter right into place and just screw it right back on. Install the drain plug back into place. Now it's time to add our engine oil. And now I'm going to go inside the car to check the oil level. So I have the key in position 2. Do not turn on the car. I'm going to scroll through the options and look for this. The engine oil level is okay, and my advice to you is it's better to fill less oil into your car and to check than to have it overfilled, because if it's overfilled you're going to have to drain that bit out, and that requires a lot more work. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy video on how to change your engine oil and oil filter on your Mercedes-Benz ML Class W164. And if you have any suggestions or questions, please leave them down below, and I'll see you soon with another video. Thank you.